Albert Einstein was right when saying we cannot solve problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. The world around us is changing faster than ever before, resulting in organizations that are struggling to attract and maintain the new generation of workforce and consumers. Whilst disruptive business models like Airbnb and Uber are constantly redefining what we find normal. Inspiring innovators like Apple, Tesla, and Netflix, on the other hand, make us wonder why we should settle for less. Yet, these are all things that you already know. However, does this mean that we should all become Elon Musk or walk around in jeans and sneakers like the late Steve Jobs? Luckily not, as innovation, contrary to popular belief, is best defined as a skill rather than a birth talent. These are exactly the skills that we will be focusing on during the workshop Tools to Innovate, by giving you concrete, ready-to-use tools, tips and tricks to take on this new trend. We will also make use of cases in order to put these skills into practice. In 2 words, design thinking, and hence this personal invitation to you to join me on April 25th at the Curaçao Chamber of Commerce for the workshop Tools to Innovate, Learning Design Thinking.